I'm Dale Dombrowski, and I teach at the San Francisco Academy of Art University in the School of Fashion. I love the specialness of being in Mendocino near the Pacific coastline. I offer drawing workshops at the Mendocino Art Center for students of all drawing levels. I call the class Drawing You In. I invite all participants to relax and explore creativity within themselves as they try new techniques. We work indoors and outdoors using still lifes and live models. Students say they enjoy my approach where each exercise encourages their curiosity and gives them the tools to go on to the next level of their drawing experience. I'd love to see you there.